what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to kind of talk through these first few problems. Bless you. These are the ones that are really straightforward. They are just straight applications of one of these formulas. Just choose the correct one. So here, if you want to find the area of a regular polygon, so it's going to be 1/2 SAN or 1/2 AP. You have 11 sides, so that's your n value. You have your total perimeter. The fact that you have perimeter means we're going to use this formula, 1/2 AP, and then just plug in what you're given. So the apothem is 55.75. The perimeter is given as 360.14. The fact that it has 11 sides doesn't necessarily play a role in this problem. If you took the perimeter and divided by 11, you could find what each side length is, but you don't necessarily need to know that. They give you enough information here to solve. So if we take 1/2 times 55.75 and then times 360.14, we get our solution, which is 10,038 and 0.90. Approximately. The units are centimeters. It's an area, so it's square centimeters. As you're working, I'm going to talk through the first one. So if you label the pieces that you found, you have the area, you're given S, A, and N. You're asked to find the apothem, the lowercase a. So if we use that area as 1/2 SAN, plug in the known pieces of information. So 5050.21 is equal to 1/2 the length of each side times A, our unknown, times the number of sides, 22. And so now it's just a matter of calculating this. Here, if you start with 5050.21, and we just start undoing. So we divide by 0.5, divide by 11.49, and divide by 22. We get a number for A, which is 39.96 approximately. The units are miles. It's a one-dimensional measurement because it's a length. And so that would be our answer. Okay, and then the final problem, here you're looking to find P, the perimeter. You have the number of sides, N. You have the A value, and you have the capital A value. So we can use area is equal to 1/2 since we have A and P. We don't need to know the S or the N part. Okay, so we can just plug in the number provided, 1/2 of 70.7 times P. And once again, we can solve this just by undoing 15,818.45 and just start undoing. So divide by the 0.5, divide by the 70.7, and that leaves our perimeter, which is 447.48. The units here would be feet because perimeter is a one-dimensional measurement.